Hello my dear students, today we are going to see different sections or parts of MS Word, that is MS Word interface. Today we are going to see 6 different sections of MS Word. First one is title bar, second one is quick access toolbar, third one is window controller keys, fourth one is tabs and ribbon, fifth one is ribbon and its groups, and the sixth one is ribbon display option. The first one is title bar. This area is called as the title bar of our document, that is MS Word document file name, and the file name is interface MS Word by Manjunatha CP. This is the file name or MS Word document name. Whatever the name I give to this file, or in whatever name I am going to save this document, that name will be displayed in the title bar of the document. And the second one is quick access toolbar. This section is called as the quick access toolbar. Here you can see several commands in the quick access toolbar like save button, undo button, redo button, and so on. Here we can see some 4 commands in the quick access toolbar. We can also add commands to the quick access toolbar, and we can also remove the commands from this quick access toolbar. To do this, click in this part, that is customize your quick access toolbar. Whenever I click this option, here you can see new, open, several commands displayed here. Here you can see save, there is a tick mark, and save command is displayed in the quick access toolbar. Similarly, undo, redo, there are so many tick marks. If I want to add this new command to quick access toolbar, just select this one and new command will be added to your quick access toolbar. Let me add one more command. Click in the customize quick access toolbar option, and if I add this quick print, and it will be displayed over here. If I want to remove some of the commands from this quick access toolbar, again go to customize option, uncheck the command quick print, and you will remove the command from the quick access toolbar. Let me remove the new command also. Now it is just 4 commands in the quick access toolbar. Next, third point is window controller keys. These 3 keys are called as window controller key. This is your minimize button, maximize or restore button, and the close button. If I click this one, your window will be minimized. If I click this one, it will bring the window to a particular shape. You can reduce the size of your MS Word document, or you can increase this size. If I click this maximize or restore button, again it will bring the MS Word document to the size of your monitor. This is the close button, which is used to close our document. Fourth one is tabs and ribbons. These are called as tabs in our MS Word document. File tab, home tab, insert tab, design tab, and so on. If I click home tab, I will get several commands over here. These commands are placed in ribbon. This area is called as ribbon area. If I click insert tab, I will get the insert ribbon. If I click design tab, I will get the design ribbon. So these are all called as the tabs. Whenever I click particular tab, I will get several commands. This is called as the ribbon area. And the fifth one is ribbon and its groups. If I click home tab, I will get the home ribbon. Inside this home ribbon, we have hundreds of commands are there. These commands are grouped according to their usage. Here you can see we have clipboard group. In that one we have paste option, cut option, copy option, and format option. In the same way, we have font group, we have paragraph group, and so on. If I click insert tab, we will get insert ribbon. Inside this insert ribbon, we have several groups like tables, illustrations, media, and so on. In the same way, suppose if I click layout tab, I will get layout ribbon. Inside this layout ribbon, we have so many commands, and these commands are grouped like page setup commands, paragraph commands, and so on. Sixth option is ribbon display option. This one is called as the ribbon display option. Here you can see your tabs as well as your ribbons. In your ribbon display option, we have three options. If I click first one, that is auto hide ribbon. If I select this option, you can see there is no tabs and there is no ribbon. If I click anywhere in the top over here, I will get my tabs as well as ribbons automatically. If I click here in the document area, anywhere in the document area, if I click the mouse button, your ribbons and tabs will be automatically hidden from you. If I click anywhere in the top, you can see tabs as well as ribbons. If I click in the document area, tabs and ribbons will be hidden from you. In the second option, show tabs, it shows only the tabs. See, you can see only the tabs, but there are no ribbons. To see the ribbons, just click on the tab, home tab, you will see the home ribbon. If I click on the document area, ribbon will be hidden from you, but you can see the tabs. If I click insert tab, we can see the insert ribbon. If I click on the document area, insert ribbon will be hidden from you, but still you can see the tabs. And the third option is show tabs and commands. If you select this option, it will show both tabs as well as the ribbons. If I click in the document area, still you can see the tabs and ribbons. That is, if I click home tab, I will get home ribbon. If I click design tab, I will get the design ribbon. So in the display option, we have auto hide ribbon, which hides both tabs and ribbons from you. We have show tab, which hides only ribbon from you, but you can see the tab. And the last option, which shows both tabs and commands, that is both tab and ribbon. Thank you.